What's up, what's goody, what's poppin', you guys? Good morning and welcome back to another segment with your girl. Today is Wednesday and I am on my way to work. The time is probably about 7:48. I'm like 4 minutes off my schedule. You know, I like to at least be in the car by 7:45, which I was. I'm gonna get a real stand, y'all. I'm gonna get a real stand. I'm working on that. Today is the day. Work day number 1, you heard me? They supposed to come and tear up the floor and put the new floor down today. I'm super excited. But then at the same time, I feel like it's an inconvenience because I gotta move all that stuff. So yes, I am so freaking happy. Y'all just don't understand. Like, I have been living in chaos for the last month. So yes, child, they can ready to come and they can ready to do that. Yes, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. This whole renovation is gonna be so freaking fun because everything is new. I don't know if you call it manifest, like the new generation, or will, or just pure out, God is looking out for his person. Like, man, you put good out in the atmosphere, you're going to get good back. That's just a fact. Treat people how you want to be treated. Period. Because karma does not miss. I'm going to make a shirt that says that. Karma does not miss. Ever. Oh, she coming. She is coming for sure. Know that. But at any rate, today is a happy day. We're going to manifest prosperity, peace, multitude. We're going to touch somebody's child today. We're going to grow mentally, spiritually, all of that. We're going to have positive thoughts, and we're going to change people who have negative thoughts into positive thoughts. Yeah, we're going to move one more step closer to our destiny today. Yeah, because I have woken up. Now, you have to hit the ball, hit the floor, rolling, something like that. Don't quote me on it. But, yeah, so... And I told y'all I was not supposed to be off. I saw the assistant principal yesterday, Miss Blue. And Miss Blue said I'm supposed to work every day. Talking about you ain't got no work for me. Girl, bye. So, she said she was going to talk to Dr. Larry about that. I hope Miss Johnson ain't getting in trouble, but she should have been doing her job. Period. Anyway, guys, my breathing, as you can see, I'm not as nasally as I was. Like I stated before, my chest x-rays came back okay. So, my lungs are perfect. But, now I'm waiting for my mold panel to come back. I still feel the mucus is still breaking up a little bit, and I'm still a little bit nasally. But I'm out in the fresh air. I'm not in the house now, so, If you learn anything from my experience, please have renter's insurance, because my condo, I am on this kind of like rent to own kind of thing. So in that case, you need renter's insurance, and I did not have that. So yeah, it's embarrassing. But I did it. I need to tell my daughter that. Yeah, so I sure hope I ain't missed no dress codes because nobody told me. Miss Campbell came. Miss Campbell's way. Nobody told me. Okay, so because I don't have a lot of time, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go, oh shoot, I need to fix my nails. My nails, like, I need to go ahead and go on the inside. I have my sweater right here. You still hear me? I'm still nasally. Okay. So, what I need to check. Because, baby, I like to go in here correct. Do no half-stepping. When I'm, especially when I'm dealing with the job. Oh, y'all, we have this week and then we have next week. And we are out of school. Let me see how much time I got. Good morning, guys. I'm back. I am actually on my lunch. Actually, my planning period. Warming my food up in the in the teacher's lounge. I'm not going to be here long because I know I'm not supposed to be recording in school, so I heard. So I just wanted to let y'all know I'm here. Hi, everyone. Nah. It is your favorite sub back on her no bald head pictures. Okay, no bald head pictures. Nah, it's your favorite sub, and I'm back. You guys, I told you they was trying to play with my hours. Look, I'm a permanent sub. I'm here every day, Pooh. Every day. Whether somebody's out or not, I am here. So they got it corrected. Anyway, I'm having lunch. I'm having leftovers. I'm having, you know, that leftover turkey burger and great mashed potatoes that I made the other day. Let me show you. Just a little leftovers. You know, I have approximately 40 minutes before my class starts. So I just wanted to come on here and say what's up, what's going on, how's y'all's day going, and let y'all know that I'm still here in the land of the living. And I am blessed and highly favored. My day is going so beautifully, so swell. And yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all. About to eat my lunch. Finish watching me a little bit of YouTube before my third period class comes. I'm going to give y'all a little picture. Hopefully at the end of this class, and I'll be back with y'all probably about the time I come back. It'll be at the end of the day or something. What's up? What's goody? What's poppin'? Y'all, today was a beautiful day. It is after school hours. I am about to go home. We're going to check the progress that they have done in the house today. I'm waiting for her to respond to me to let me know what they're going to be doing tomorrow. But I'm thinking that the only thing that they did today was take the floor up. Take up what floor that they could take up in that hallway. But we'll see once I get home. Y'all, it is the freaking mucus for me. I have to spit that out. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna go home now. Boogie should be home. I called him, but he hasn't answered the phone. Might mean that he was already at the house. Who knows? But I just want to come on and say, hey, how y'all doing? Hope y'all had a good day today. And yeah. What's up, fam? So I just wanted to show y'all. I just got home, show y'all the new progress. They have pulled up all the floors in my living room now. You know, I'm displaced. They have torn up all the floors in here. They were supposed to open the ceiling up some more, but I don't think that they're going to have to. I'm going to have to ask her about that. But they opened up all the flooring. They didn't open up that flooring yet. They did the flooring. Well, all of this was pretty much up. All the way to right here. Then they picked the flooring up. No, they didn't pick up any flooring in here. Hold up. It's like a construction site for real. So what they did in here is they went on and I'm gonna give you this view. This is from inside of his closet, and this is what we have now. So they just came and tore up all the rest of the, I think they had already had the flooring up in this room, but nevertheless, they came and opened up the rest of the ceiling. And this is supposed to be the insulation that did not get wet. So how was this insulation right here supposed to keep all that noise from traveling downstairs? I say stuff this whole thing with stuff. That's what I say. With insulation. But yeah, so they have their little work site taped off. This whole thing is about to be brand new. This whole cabinet. Yes. And that is me. You see her? Nah. So that's what we have going on so far. But I have to get up this mess right here. Yeah, because we threw what was salvageable into this room here. So my salon is all a mess. But at any rate, that's what we have. Oh, let me show y'all where they, I'm gonna go check the mail. I'm gonna show y'all where they stash all of the stuff. Look how they did this. At least the people know that I'm under construction. But look how they did me, y'all. Just put the floor right out here. Right outside my building. The door. Oh, my son's bedroom door. Because that was all messed up. All this junk. Look where I had to stash my plant babies at. Look where I had to stash them at. Then I come home, one of my stalks was bent over. Like, baby, stop playing with my babies. I don't want no problem. I work too hard for this. They moved everything, guys. Push it, click, click. Yeah, pop up on the app and watch it, click, click. Yeah, push it, yeah, push it, click, click. Yeah, pop up on the app and watch it, click, click. We will rock you. So I'm back, y'all, and I just really wanted to show y'all this mess that I'm about to speed through and clean up, because they need to come and take all of the flooring up in this room. So I have to remove everything off of these shelves, everything off of this floor, and I want to be able to do this in a matter of about 30 minutes. What time is it, Bug? Let's see what time it is. 7:13. So I think that I could have this room cleaned up by 7:43. Let's get started. All right, let's get to work. So now I'm moving into the salon closet. I will show y'all that in a minute. Yeah, this is another one of my inventory closets. I've already started putting boxes up here. This is like the overflow for some of my coats. And then some of my Depop inventory all over the place. So I have to get everything off the floor. Because I'm supposed to get new carpet in. New floors in here as well. So let me clear this out. All right, y'all. Cleared that jank out. Cleared it out in a matter of 15 minutes. Got everything out off the floor so that they can rip this floor up. And hopefully, and I know that they are because it's not put down right in there either. I cleared it out and they better. I'm going to make sure that they do. Because, baby, I ain't do all that work for nothing. Okay? And as you see, I cleared this room out. Got everything out. All of my wigs and everything so they don't mess up my stuff. I need to finish my mirrors. Yeah, I had some work to do in this room. Oh, I need to get this out next. Okay, job completed. Job completed. Okay? Stop playing with it. Oh, now I need to get the stuff out of one more room. Now I need to get the stuff from up under the bathroom sink. Transfer it into here. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and start making this food for us. So, and then I am going to close out this video because I am tired after all this work. No, I came home and watched TV when I got home, so I'm not that tired. Alright, y'all know I cannot cook without my stuff being clean. Alright, so let me see what TT talking about. I have a little tomato for me, even though I'm not supposed to have one. But, yeah. I don't like that white stuff on my salmon, so, yeah. It's broiling. So, we have it, you guys. We have what we're going to call mambo sauce salmon salad. What would we call it? Let me see.
Mambo salad.
Mambo salmon salad. That just sounds like sister.
Mambo salad. I don't know.
Anyway, there you have it, guys. That is dinner for my son. Doesn't it look scrumptious? You want more seasoning on it, or you good? You think you good?
I'm good.
You good? Okay. Got to feed the children, people. Don't pay attention to his hair. He gonna be fly come Friday, you know. So I'm not sure if I've showed y'all salmon salad before. So I have some spring mix right here. This is Boogie's Plate. I have some spring mix. Our salmon is on the broiler, getting broiled. And I'm going to add to his salad, some Greek seasoning, which is awesome on vegetables. Not vegetables. So I put him some of that on. And then when his salmon gets out the oven, I will chop it up once it cools off a little bit. Either you can have it on it's going on the salad. So I'll let it cool off, and then I'll come in here and chop it up, put his favorite little seasonings and sauce on it, and yeah, so I'll show y'all when I'm done. As y'all see, I still have on the same work clothes that I had on earlier. As far as the top is concerned, I have been busy. I have been working. Now I'm tired. I keep forgetting I have on eyelashes. I keep wanting to rub my eyes to death, waiting for my salmon to get done. So I showed y'all chasing boogie salad. I'm going to wait. My last little clip for this video is going to be my salad and my movie choice of the night. So stay tuned for that. Your girl is about to go and shower and chillax. It is actually 8:38 and I am done with all my chores. Okay. Oh, I got one more thing to do. I have to bring that stuff from the bathroom in there and here. Let me do that. All right, y'all. Here's my salad. Mine is different from Boogie's. Mine is just Catalina, tangy bacon with Old Bay seasoning, Greek seasoning, and tomatoes over spring mix. Green mix. Now I'm about to find me a movie, y'all. And I'm about to call it a night. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on all your post notifications so that you do not miss another video. Good night.